So of course you've got this nice big deck, which is gorgeous.
Great space. This is a great outdoor space. And if you're going to be in the Caribbean, this is the kind of paradise that you want.
Absolutely. So if you come on in, it's set up nicely with nice furnishings. And you've got another king size bed over here, which is great.
Wonderful. And look at these Caribbean colors.
Absolutely. Can't do this at home. You've got, you know.
Absolutely. And if you're going to be on vacation, you definitely want a king size bed.
Absolutely. And of course these do come with air conditioning. It does have a little kitchenette as well. And you know, maybe they could do a little bit of a cooktop, but I don't know if it's necessary really.
Not in this location, but...
And you've got a nice full-size bathroom. And you've got plenty of storage space as well.
Well, this is a great location for a vacation.
It is. It's fantastic. And there's actually 4 built into this entire, I guess, wall of units. And there's plenty of space to build more.
Okay, so where do we go from here?
Well, let's go see some of the casitas.
Perfect. Let's go.
So just to our right, Sophia, is actually the pathway to the dive shop and the beach.
Oh, great.
And as you can see, there's so much land, which makes it so great here. There's plenty.
There's lots of room for expansion.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. And they all have viewpoints. Something for everyone. So we're going to cut through the casitas. How exciting.
Wonderful.
Oh, wow. And look at the view from here. If you wanted to, this would be a perfect site for another, you know, couple of Seaview. Oh, absolutely. You could do another block. So you could get another 4 units here.
Wonderful. And look, banana trees.
Oh, yes. There's lots of fruit trees here.
What a wonderful little place.
Yeah, you know, they actually use with the fruit here, they actually make their own jams. So another little side income.
Nice.
Yes, I felt one. So come on into the casita. And these are great little 2-bedroom units, so maybe it would be perfect for a family traveling.
How cute. Yeah, I can definitely see nieces and nephews staying here.
Very nice.
Mom and Dad's room.
Mm-hmm. And you've got a great little area for socializing down here. You've got a little kitchen. You've got a nice hammock.
And then you've got a full bath down below, right?
Absolutely.
Great.
Well, gang, I hope you enjoyed our second video. We are going to head up to the main area so we can take a look at those beautiful gardens, the restaurant space, and the main house, which is over 7,000 square feet.
We look forward to seeing you soon.
See you in a minute.